Extremely cheap seeds. Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. I am here at Dollar Tree where they have some extremely cheap seeds. I tried some of these seeds last year and all of them came out, so try it for yourself and save money. Hi, so here they have flowers, vegetables, and specialty for 4 for $1. That's 25 cents. So here they have for flowers. They have flowers, a different variety of flowers here. Yeah. So they have quite a variety of flowers, as you can see. Marigold. You have a different variety of marigold right here. You have the French dwarf mix, crackerjack mix, and this one is the petite yellow. Morning glory. You have morning glory over here, and the different colors and different varieties. Down there you have petunias. These are petunias, and these are perennial mix right here. More morning glory. You have daisies over here. You have snapdragon. You have sunflowers right here. You have zinnias over here, sunflower. And you have more zinnias over here. Over here they have vegetables. They have chives, cilantro, dill, basil right here. You have garden beans right here. You have beets, broccoli, cabbage. You have cantaloupe right here. You have cucumbers, cauliflower, carrots, more different variety of carrots right there. Over here you have cucumbers, eggplants, lettuce, pepper. You have the sweet pepper right here, peas, onions, lettuce. You have peppers right there. You have pumpkin. And you have corn. You have squash. You have more squash, summer squash. And down here you have different red radish and tomatoes right down here. And on this side we have Swiss chard right there. You have spinach right here. You have peas right here. Kale. This is kale. Cucumbers. And all these, like I said, are 25 cents each. Or you can get 4 of them for $1. These are garden beans or green beans. And you have more variety of them. You have tomatoes right here. Sage. You got thyme right here, radish. You got parsley right there. You have oregano, lavender right here. You got basil. You got pepper. Just different variety of peppers right here. So this is what we have for. And on this side, they have different varieties of seeds. These ones are $2.99. As you can see, it says $2.99, but they have different variety of seeds or flowers right here. All these here are flowers, white flower blends. Down here, marigold, you have different variety of them. If you want to save even more and get your seeds for free, save your seeds at the end of the season. At the end of the season, harvest seeds and store them, and you can use them the next year. You don't have to pay 25 cents, 10 cents, or 50 cents, or $2 for seeds. Save your seeds, and you don't have to buy seeds. I'm gonna add the link in the description below on the various ways that you can save seeds, save your seeds, and save money. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.